I provided will give you several things. It's going to give you, let's see here, as we're working on this, if I do this correctly, it's got architectural units set up, and if I'm on my my walls layer, and if I start here, let's see if this is right. So I'm going to 35 feet, make sure we're good to go here. Yeah, we should be. And if I measure that with a linear dimension, what do I have? I look here to here, it should show up, and it does, 35 feet. So I got a well-scaled dimension style here, and I can just put that on my dimensions layer, and we're good to go. So that is, if you have not at this point completed your floor plan 1 drawing, please complete that. Also, there are drawings A through H, and those need to be completed. I think most of you have done those. I took a look, and most of those are complete. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move on to floor plan 2. And with floor plan 2, as we go along here, it's the same thing we did before, a little more intense, a little more stuff going on. There's some blocks and so forth in there. So if you have questions, ask me. Yeah, question.
When you draw the stairs, is there like a template used for that, or you just draw the stairs?
Okay, if you notice what I have there is I basically gave you the basic dimensions of the staircase, the actual case right there. And so what you do is you'll notice that they're each 9-inch typical. All right, so they're 9-inch typical, and then you count them off, and then you go ahead and put them in. Yeah, and they'll fit. They'll fit. One thing too is there is what's called a break line in there. There's all this cool content in AutoCAD. You could just draw a zigzag line, or you could go to Express Tools and get this. Now watch this, because this is actually something that will help you in life.